Hello children, welcome to the second session. I hope you all remember the first session that we have discussed. Data and information, data storage unit, internal or primary memory, RAM and ROM. Today we are going to discuss what is external memory. As the main memory in the computer is the computer's workspace, it does not provide the storage facilities. So the processor needs a device to store information for a longer period. That is the external memory. It is necessary because internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity. External memory is also called secondary memory. So in a computer, when we run a program, it is copied from the secondary storage into the computer's internal memory. So to access data from the secondary memory, it takes more time as compared to internal or primary memory. Now let's discuss the storage devices. A storage devices refers to computing hardware used to store information permanently or temporarily. Storage device can be internal or external to a computer, like example hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. These are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. Non-volatile means data will not lose when there is a break in power supply. Next, we will discuss what is hard disk. A hard disk can be found installed in any desktop or laptop computer. It stores files for operating system and software program, as well as the user documents such as photographs, text files, audio, games. So everything it stores there. It is the main storage medium for computers. It is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. Hard disk can store large amount of data. It can store up to 8 terabyte of data. So you can see in the picture the external hard disk, which is small in size and can be carried anywhere, which is available nowadays. Next, let's discuss what is CD. CD, which stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. Optical storage device means it is a technology which employs lasers and light to read and write data. A CD can hold text, graphics, sounds, images, and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. Now let's discuss what is DVD and Blu-ray disc. DVD and Blu-ray discs are formats of digital optical discs data storage, which have taken the place of the CD mainly because of their much greater storage capacity. A Blu-ray disc, for example, can store up to 128 gigabyte of data, and DVD can store 4.7 gigabyte to 17 gigabyte. DVD are used for recording movies with higher video and sound quality than a CD. And Blu-ray disc is mainly used for storing high quality sound, games and movie data. Next, we will discuss what is flash drive. A flash drive is also known as thumb drive, pen drive, memory stick. Flash drive is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB port. USB means Universal Serial Bus. It is a small, lightweight and removable drive which is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. And it can store up to 2 terabyte of data. Flash drive is generally more efficient, reliable than the optical media. Next, we are going to discuss what is memory card. A memory card is an electronic data storage device which is used for storing digital information, typically using the flash memory. They are commonly used in portable electronics devices such as your digital camera, music player, mobile phones, computer, tablets, video games, consoles, electronic keyboards, and digital piano. A memory card can be easily removed from these devices and it is attached to computer to access the data. The files are transferred into the computer by using a memory card reader which can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. Nowadays, most of the laptops comes with inbuilt card reader port. So you can see here the picture is given here of the memory card which we use in our mobile phone and digital camera. Next we will discuss the last one, what is computer port. You can see here the picture is given the computer port. A computer hardware. A port serves as an interface between a computer and the other computers or the peripheral devices. In the computer term, a port generally refers to a part of computing device available for connection to the peripherals, such as input and output devices. So children, you all know what are input and output devices. Those input and output devices by which we can connect to the computer. So with the help of this computer port, we can connect them. So some of the internal ports like hard drive, CD-ROM or DVD drive, whereas the external ports connects external devices like modem, printer, mouse and other devices. So children, we have discussed about what is external memory and what is computer port. So I end up the session here. So till then, children, thank you and goodbye.